Hey everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we explored some basic string functions like concat, len, trim, but today we're taking things up a notch by diving into the world of regular expressions. We'll be looking at how you can use regex extract to pull out specific parts of a text string, regex match to validate patterns, and regex replace to transform your data effortlessly. Let's get started. REGEX extract is your tool for pulling out specific parts of a string based on a pattern. For instance, extracting the error message from a log entry is a breeze with REGEX extract. With regex match, you can check if a string fits a specific pattern. It's great for validating formats like phone numbers or social security numbers. It returns 1 if there is a match and 0 if there is no match. And with regex replace, you can take it a step further by replacing matched patterns with something new. Notice how some of these complaints have email addresses included in them? What if you wanted to protect sensitive information quickly and efficiently across all your data? With a formula like this, you can automatically replace any email address with email protected. And of course, we have many other string functions at your disposal, like lower for converting text to lowercase, upper for uppercase, and replace for basic text substitution. The possibilities are endless. That's a quick tour of string functions in NocoDB, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching.